एक बरें मॅसेज तेणें दिलें आमकां की गो टू द ग्रासरूट्स सारके लास्ट मनशा कडेन वचून वचा म्हणून. सो वी हॅव 10 months टू गो. सो go to the people, find out their difficulties, address that difficulty and win the vote.
मायकल बाब, इतली प्रोटेस्ट बी जाता तेजे उलोवप जाला. मायकल बाब, इतली प्रोटेस्ट जाता तेजे कितें उलोवप बी जाला? गव्हर्नमेंट अगेन्स्ट इतली प्रोटेस्ट जाता गोंयभर.
प्रोटेस्ट हा पळय ते प्रत्येक आमदारान सजमन घेवपाक जाय की आपले हितूंतलो जर कितें प्रोटेस्ट करतलो वी हॅव टू एड्रेस दॅट इशू. गव्हर्नमेंट एट अ लार्जर एंगलान एड्रेस केला आनी म्हाका दिसता ऑनरेबल सीएमान तेजेर सोल्युशनूय हाडलें.
Michael sir, Goa state has been second number on the unemployment. How you look at this thing?
See, unemployment म्हणजे कितें आहा, the figures which are being this thing, ते figures आमचे employment exchange कमी करिना. जर तूं you are employed as a reporter, as a journalist, but your name is still figuring in the employment exchange as unemployed. But yet you are earning around 30,000-40,000 rupees a month, working very hard. So that is not coming in the register of employment exchange or on their screen as you are employed. So private employment जितके आहा गोंयान is shown as unemployed. All only government employees are shown as employed. So this is a wrong thing. Employment exchange needs to revamp this, relook at it. All the people who are working in private sector are shown as unemployed. हे एक मोठो
सर्वे.
This should be addressed by the employment exchange.
तेजो सर्वे सांगता
It is the same. It is being sent by the employment exchange. Niti Aayog is not some magician to do employment and unemployment sitting in Delhi. So the report which goes from Goa, like if you ask in the assembly how many are employed and how many youth are unemployed, so figures येता पळय ते you will be shocking. The figure of mine also will be unemployed, unregistered केल्ले. I am a businessman today, so all those people who are in business are shown as unemployed because we have registered ourselves in the employment exchange. Nowhere there is a mechanism that Michael Lobo is a businessman म्हणून दाखोवपाक ते. सो ते कशें करतले पळय तेजेर सोल्युशन जो तेंचो डायरेक्टर आहा, एम्प्लॉयमेंट एक्सचेंज डायरेक्टर MD आहा, तेणें हेचेर सोल्युशन हाडपाची गरज आहा. How it can be addressed. So because of the highest rate shown as unemployed, which is actually wrong. Majespan, we are on the opposite side.
Wrong
100% wrong. हांव सांगता तुका न्हू wrong आसा.
सर्वे जावपाक लागला.
You look at Goa being a small state. I am telling you, we are far better than the other states of India as far as employment is concerned. As far as self-employment is concerned, lot of boys and girls are self-employed, which is not shown in the employment exchange.
तो मेकॅनिझम सारको जावपाक कितें करपाक जाय सरकारान?
त्या खातीर तेजेर मेकॅनिझमाचेर you have to work on it. You have to see how you will fix this mechanism to say that whether you are employed or unemployed. हांव तुका स्ट्रेट सांगता.
Yearly once
This is the reality. This is the reality.
प्रायव्हेट कंपनी तुम्ही सरकार पॉलिसी कित्याक हाडिनात तर लोकांक?
No, it should be addressed.
सर, इयरली वन्स ह्या टुरिस्ट गोंयान येतात, तरी आसतना अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट गोंयान आसा असो इशू जाता. कित्याक?
Our boys and girls should take up self-employment. This is my straight talk to them. If they take up self-employment, lot of issues of so-called unemployed youth will get solved. Self-employment is very important. आणि खूपशे platforms are for employment, to create employment and to be self-employed. So there are a lot of platforms. We are helping so many of them.
ग्रासरूट लेवलाचेर वचून लोकां मदीं संबंध सादा म्हणलं अध्यक्षान नॅशनल.
No, it is a message given to all that you have to be in touch with the people. And to be in touch with the people, you have to go to the people. So this is what we are doing from many years, 2008 onwards or 7 onwards, I am doing. So त्या खातीर आमी संपर्कान अजूनय पासून आहा. संपर्क तुटोंक जायना. संपर्क तुटपाक जायना.
एसटी समाजाचे लोक गेले 34 दीस चिंबल हांगसर प्रोटेस्ट करतात. त्या कमी समाजाच्या लोकांक ज्या एसटी समाजाच्या लोकां फुडें तुमचें सरकार कित्याक पावना अजून?
म्हाका दिसता मुख्यमंत्री खूब फावटी पावलो
केन्ना
आनी हो इश्यू सॉल्वूय जाल्लो आहा. म्हाका दिसता ह्या इश्यूआचेर आनी उलोवन काय अर्थ ना. सॉल्व जालो इश्यू.
मायकल करिना तुम्ही म्हटले की 10 मिनिट टाइम असा म्हणजे इलेक्शन इलेक्शन केन्ना एक्सपेक्टेड आसा
Election is expected in time only. It will not happen before that.
विजय सरदेसाय म्हणटा डिसेंबरान बीन जातले म्हणून सो
विजय संपर्कान आसतलो खंय
आणि तुम्ही आमची वाटेन येतलो म्हणलं ताणें
ना तो संपर्कान आसतलो म्हणून तेणें म्हटला
मायकल बाब तुम्ही आमच्या बरोबर आसतले म्हणून नेक्स्ट इलेक्शनाक
विजयाचेर काय उलयना न्ही हांव. विजय इज अ लिडर बाय हिमसेल्फ. पळय गोवा फॉरवर्ड पार्टी म्हणजे विजय सरदेसाय.
विजय कितें उलयता तेजेर नेम ना म्हणटा
नो तो लिडर बाय हिमसेल्फ. तो खंय वयतलो कितें करतलो इलेक्शन जावन तें आमकां हांव तेजेर कमेंट करिना आयज. लेट द टायम कम वी वील कमेंट.
आणि मायकल बाब
पण तुम्ही बीजेपीच्या हेच्या वेळेला हे करता
तुम्ही खंय आसता
सारक्या मरे स्ट्रॉंगली
ना पण
बीजेपी
दिल्या तुमकां आनी कितें न्यूज.
Michael sir, what happened to the taxi policy? Every time we
येता
हो गया ना तुमचा.
येता जाल्यार मिटींग जाली ते
But when it, the solution will come?
आता मेन मिटींग जातली पॉलिसी येतली.
ओके थँक्यू
रिझॉल्व
थँक्यू